In today's video I'm going to show you how to hide notes on Messenger. With the new update of Messenger, you cannot share notes with your friends and family. So if someone is posting a lot of notes on your Messenger and you want to hide it, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So, if you want to hide a note, just long click on the note and you're going to see the Hide Contact option. Just click on that, and you need to confirm it. Note that if you hide someone as a contact, you will still be able to chat with them, so this will just hide their notes. That's how to hide notes. If you want to unhide any notes, click on the three lines at the top left corner of your Messenger. Click on the gear icon. And you need to select Privacy and Security. In this Privacy and Security section, at the top, you need to select Hidden Contacts. Once you select Hidden Contacts, click on Unhide, and it's going to unhide the person's note. As you can see, it is very easy and straightforward. Once you unhide it, you are going to start seeing notes from the person back.